I've already analyzed the chart. I can go to daily time frame. Let me just go to daily time frame. What am I doing now? Hey, what am I doing on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, the market is still showing us that the market is pushing up. Is a bullish market. But now, if you go to 4-hour time frame, it's showing us the same thing, that the market is pushing up. The market is doing what? Is pushing up. So now it's the same thing as last week. Nothing much that has happened. But I've been waiting for the market to come to this level on top here. And people are still coming late. I've been waiting for the market to come to this level, of which it hasn't done. I've been waiting for US30 to break new highs, to break this structure, because you can see here, the market has been struggling here. You can see here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times the market has been struggling to break the structure. But I'm still expecting the market to push high. But wait. If you go to the lower time frame, it will give us something. Let's just go to 1-hour time frame. Let's go to 1-hour time frame. Do we have people from Limpopo? Guys, are you still here?
Yes,
yeah. Okay. No, I'm wondering because now my PC is freezing. So hence I'm asking if we have people from Limpopo. Because once my laptop is freezing, which means that doing their magic that side, so I must be careful. I must be careful. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me just give me a second. I want to accept these people. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me just continue here on 1 hour. It's my internet, okay. On 1 hour, guys, I send you this. Let me go to 15-minute time frame so I can say it nicely. I sent you this on Friday. On Friday, we remember we had news on Friday, ne? Still remember that? I think it's my internet. I don't know if it's my internet or what. I think it's my I'm not too sure if it's my internet or what. But now I'm getting slower, and my PC is getting slower. Okay, let me just remove this. On Friday, I sent you the structure. On Friday, I sent you the structure because I saw here 1, 2, 3, and I said the market was gonna push down. If you go back, you will see I said the market was gonna push down to this level here. To which level? Okay, no, sorry, to this level here. Yeah. But the market didn't get down here, didn't get here. It just ended here, of which here I can see that it created the third touch here, and it shoot back up. Okay, it shoot back up, and I'm still expecting the market to push down, guys. I'm still expecting the market from here, because now we are here. Né? I'm expecting the market to push down to this to reach our target from here, to push down here. But the only time I'll place a sell is whereby the market break the structure this year. Because if you can see here, the market has been struggling to break to break here, because you can see these long wicks. Sorry, you can see these long wicks. The market has been struggling to break to push down here, and eventually it pushed up. The market has been struggling here, so, and it went up and it pushed down again. So now it's created this correction now here. So I'm waiting for the market to come to this point, and if it comes to this point, only the candlestick will tell me what to do next. But if it breaks the structure here, I'm gonna be looking for the sell, for the market to come to the structure. And I will also keep in mind, yeah, this structure here, because this is like a struggle. This is another zone here, this zone where the market rejected here. I'll keep in mind as well when the market it come to this level, to what to do next. but I'm still believing that the market has to come and reach our target here. Okay, are we still together?
Yes.
Because you can see the market has been failing here. If I like, for instance, we start here, one, the market push, okay, the market pushed up here. Remember the structure I told about this one, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I said that touch, it will push down. It happened. It happened. Okay, cool. From here again, the market tried to break the structure, because here it's this is a struggle zone. I can say here is a struggling zone for this market. It's been struggling to break through here, to break above this structure. So now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The market has been failing, and not only for even here, the market, whoa, this has been like really a struggling zone for the market. Because if you look back, even here, the market has been struggling to break through here, but it's fine, it's okay. But now, and remember, I sent you this on the group on Friday before the news, and what happened? It pushed down, guys. I'm still lousy of the market, or I'm not an ancestor of the market. So, but I can see, guys, because when I look at the market, I said, okay, let me open my mind. Let me not focus on the news now. Let me open my mind, because in the news, it was saying it was not according to what the Dow Jones has been expecting. So when I look at the market, I saw something else. But when I look at NASDAQ, okay, NASDAQ should be pushing up because of the dollar. Because of the dollar, that now they gain more employment. The employment rate was much higher compared to last month. I said, okay, it was going to be a buy. And I set a buy stop. Unfortunately, my broker let me down. There was a slippage and all the stuff, but it's fine. It's okay. So, and the market pushed down here, and of which I was expecting to come to this level, of which this was my main target. Although the market pushed up, I'm still expecting the market to come down here. If the market comes down here and break the structure, I'll be waiting for the market to come here as well. If you go to 4-hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, sorry, 1 hour time frame, I'm still expecting the market can still keep coming down to this position here. Where's my thingy now? Okay, yeah, okay. It can still come to this level. That is still possible. That is still possible. That is still possible in the market. That's still possible, guys. That is still possible. So from there and push up again, anything is possible. Or from here, another scenario, if I go to, I'm on 1 hour, and if I go to 15-minute time frame, if I go to 15-minute time frame, the market can come to the structure, this one, because I said I'll only sell the market when it break the structure. If the market can still come to the structure, this one, and push down, and push down. If it doesn't do that, when it comes to this small structure, this one, it will tell me if the market what's going to tell me is the candlestick. That will tell me what is happening here. Should I sell the market, or if it break the structure down, of which is the support? If it break the support, I'll know that is a sell. But if it doesn't, I'll expect a buy here in the structure, a buy for the market to push up here, because it will be forming something like a W pattern, like something like this. You see, guys, this is what we always talk about.
Yes.
I'll be expecting that in the market. So there are possibilities. I cannot just sell the market here. I have to wait for confirmation. But I'm waiting patiently for the market to break the structure here. To break the structure here. That's where I'm waiting. To break the structure here. So that's where I'm waiting for the market to do that, guys. I'm waiting for the market to do that. Let's move, guys. Let's move to another one. Do you understand, guys, what I'm saying here? Do you understand what I'm saying here?
Yes.
If the market doesn't break the structure, okay, let me check the pair. This structure here. If the market doesn't break the structure, I'm expecting the foreign market to push up, because I see this pattern like a W pattern. Okay. So anything is possible. But if it breaks here, I'm expecting the market to push down. So I'll have to wait to get a confirmation when the market gets to this structure here. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Let's move on, guys. Let's move to NASDAQ. NASDAQ, when I was checking NASDAQ, nothing much on NASDAQ because on 4-hour time frame here, I can see here the market has been pushing up because it managed to break this high last week, of which this way we're expecting that the market gonna push down. Remember, we're expecting that because there was a third touch here, we're expecting the market just to push down, of which it didn't happen. Okay, of which it didn't happen because there was 1, 2, 3, but the market didn't do that. I was so disappointed, guys, because really I was expecting that sell pushing down all the way down. And from here, when you look at, well, I think it just was a daily time frame, if I'm not mistaken. It was a daily time frame, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Let's see how many touches we saw here on this daily time frame. Okay, yeah, 1, 2, and there's a third touch here. Let me just move this Mr. D here. Mr. D will get you Mr. D sometime at some other point. There was a third touch here, and I was expecting the market to push down. And what happened? What happened? Let's go to the smaller time frame and check on 1 hour. What happened? It happened. Didn't it happen, or it didn't move the way we expected? Let's check. Let's check the market, what the market did. Still have to clean up this mess. Yeah, exactly, that's what happened. And the market on this third touch here, the market pushed down here, and you can see even here the market now the market is in the struggle zone. It wants to push up, but anything, what will tell us again on 1 hour, if this market managed to push up here and create some correction here, it will give us an entry to push up. Okay, it will give us an entry to push up, but we have to wait for the market to do some corrections here before we enter. Remember, our strategy is impulse, correction, impulse, and we wait, guys. It's all about waiting. I was listening to another audio book here about trading, the edge of secrets of the edge trading secret. That guy is talking about the patience that we traders, the only thing that we are failing to do, we are failing to be patient in the market. As soon as we have funded our account, we just want to trade. That's why we lose our money. We don't want to be patient. If we don't see an opportunity, we look for opportunities even if they're not there, and we want just to place trade, of which that's what kills us as traders. That's what kills us as traders. We must manage our emotions and say, if I don't see an opportunity, I can't place a trade. But when you look here, look at the market here, look at these weeks, you can see the market pushed up. I think this was the news. It failed, it came back, and it pushed up again the second week, the third week, the fourth week. So what's gonna happen? We have to wait here. If this market, okay, for instance, I always talk about this, guys. If this candlestick, yeah, if this candlestick here, let me just check this one, can come and close above here, the next thing that I'll expect, okay, let me move this one first. The thing that I'll expect if this candlestick push up and close above here. You see now these ones, they failed. 1, 2, 3, 4, they failed. If this one closes above here, let me just take this arrow. If it closes above here, what it will tell me? It will tell me that is now to buy here. The next candlestick, I'll expect a buy here. I'll buy and put my stop loss below, but on a lower time frame. Okay. But if you go to 15 minutes and check what is happening here, you don't see those weeks. You don't see those weeks. But I'm still, because there's still 1, 2, 3, and this one does appear nicely because it appears on 1 hour. But if this candlestick here, the last one here that I see, if it closes above here, I'll expect a buy here. But I can't just buy because there's still this zone here. There's still this zone here. I'll have to wait for the market to push above this zone because it's just few pips away, and push above this zone, give me a nice entry or my push, create some correction, and I'll enter the trade here. Now, sorry about my correction, but I'll enter the trade here, guys. Are we still together?
Yes.
Yes.
I think we are moving. Let's move, guys. Let's move, guys. Those who don't understand, guys, please catch me in the group. Anyone, guys, please, your background, please make sure that there's no noise in your background. Make sure that there's no noise, guys. There's no noise. That's what I expect from Nasdaq, guys. On Nasdaq and USD, I go lower. I go as much as lower to 5-minute time frame if I want to see exactly which direction we must move or which direction are we heading. Because you can see here in 5 minutes in this. I see this in okay, or I can see. I can say there's something like this here. Now that I see, let me just clone this and see if it does give me what I'm thinking. But if it doesn't give me what I'm thinking, I can't just enter this trade. You see? So here in 5-minute time frame, this one can still push. Oh Lord, hey, I see something now. Yeah, this one can still push from here. Come here, create a third touch and push down here. You see, that's possible as well. So that's why you have to wait for the market. Wait for the market to give you what you are looking for. Okay? You have to wait. Okay? You don't just enter the trade. Okay, guys, that's all about USD. That's all about Nasdaq. Nasdaq, it hasn't given us something to tell us exactly, but on USD, I'm expecting that sell if it does break the structure. If it doesn't break the structure, I know that I have to buy. I have to wait in that structure, of which that's the one that I spoke about. Okay, of which is the one that I spoke about. The structure. Okay, guys, let me just go back to this USD. This is a structure I'm talking about, guys. If it comes here, it must give me a buy. Ish, guys, this thing is 30 here, 30 here, we are 30 here, we are 30 here, we are 30 here, we are 30. Let's move these, all these things. Okay. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the market. It must come here. Come here. If it breaks here, I buy. If it doesn't, I'm expecting a buy to push up all the way up. To create the new highs, because this here, it's been struggling to break this area. It's been struggling to break this zone. So I'm expecting the market to keep on pushing up. If it doesn't, if it fails to break the structure. So now we're gonna be going to the thing now. What do you call this? We're gonna be going to another pair and see. Let me check which pair is next. Okay, it's Nasdaq now. We're done with the Nasdaq. We're gonna be going to not USD. It's almost the same as USD, guys. It's almost the same as USD because it moves the same way as USD, not Bitcoin, and not gold. Because if you do Nasdaq, once we do the Nasdaq, and yeah. This one is Euro USD. We are doing Euro USD. Let me check on 4-hour time frame. What did I see here? On 4-hour time frame on USD or USD. Okay, what is happening here? What is happening here? What is happening here? Okay, on 4-hour time frame. Let's go on daily so that you can see the whole structure of the market, where the market is heading. Because guys, we don't have to trade against the trend. Where the market is heading. Because you can see here that the market push was from here and it pushed down. You can see this impulse. The market pushed down here and it created this correction going down here and it's pushing up here. So what I'm expecting the market to still push down. So let's go to 4-hour time frame now and see what is in for us here. For our time frame, guys, if you check on 4-hour time frame, this is what I see, guys, on USD, Euro USD on 4-hour time frame, and the confluence is nice because now you can see that there's a double top here. There's a double top here, and you can see now the market has been correcting in an ascending form. And here I'm expecting the market to push down, and our target is down here. Our target is down here. So even if I go to 1-hour time frame, I can go to 1-hour time frame. It's the same thing. It's the same thing, guys. On 50-minute time frame, you can see it gave us something like an M pattern here, like an M pattern, of which is a confirmation that we are going down, guys. If it doesn't go down, we'll wait for the market to create some correction here and give us an entry to push up. But I see us going down, but we have to wait, guys. But I think this one is ready. This one is ready to push down because the structure of the market, it says we are pushing down. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. If I go to 15-minute time frame, okay, this one I can just might as well move this one. Go to 15-minute time frame. You can see here, this is what I've been referring to. This M here, that we might be pushing down. Or another thing that can happen here, guys. Another thing that can happen as well in this one. Another thing that can happen is is that here it can just come again here. It can just, market can just push up again to this level and give us a nice week to enter the sell, to enter our sell and push down to this level all the way down. Okay, this is on 15-minute time frame. This is a USD. I believe, because here is a why I'm saying that is because here it must give us another double top if it does that. Or maybe we're gonna wait for a correction here, and thereafter we enter the sell. But the market, the overall market is going down, guys. I don't know if you get me on that. Are we together?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's move to another pair. I'm moving, guys. I'm moving. If you have any questions, guys, please check your chat as well. And in a group, that's where you're gonna be chatting more about this. Let me just create a chat here. Okay. Let me just create a chat here. Okay, let me just move to another one. This one, if you go to this is a Q and a dollar as well. Let me not do the Q and the dollar because we have done. If we do Nasdaq, we do USD. We have done now Euro USD, all those have to do with the dollar. Let's do something else different now. But this one I'll share in a group, okay, guys? I'll share this one in a group, and it's ready as well. That touch, good one, ready to go. Let's see another one, guys. This one we've been talking about this one for quite some time, guys. Yeah, we've been taking off. If we go to 4 hour time frame on this one, on 4 hour time frame. We've been talking about, if you can check, even last week, we spoke about this one. We've been talking about this one. We're expecting this one to push down because if you go on our last video on YouTube, you see I said I'm expecting this one to push down. If it doesn't push down, it must go and create and touch here on top and push down. So I'm expecting this one to push down from 4 hour time frame. If you go to 1 hour time frame as well, 1 hour time frame, I'm expecting it to just push down. We go to 15-minute time frame as well, same thing I'm expecting, but I'm expecting this one to push down all the way down. Let's go to 1 day time frame because there's something that I think I missed there. I missed something here. Something that I missed here. Okay, let's go to 1 week because I want to check exactly the structure of this market. Let's see the structure of this market. Where the market has been. The market has been for the whole week, for the week, for the months, or whatever weeks. The market has pushed down here. It's been pushing down. There's a whole correction here. It's correcting. The market is correcting here. Yeah. So the whole structure of the market is pushing. Is supposed to push down here. So I'm expecting this market, this thingy, to push from here to push down all the way till here, and it can still break the structure of which, but we can't place it on 1 week, but we have to go on 15-minute time frame. We can see the nice entry, and that's where this one is ready, guys. This one is ready. It's ready. This trade, you can place this trade and hold it for maybe the whole week if you want to, and if you want to hold the trade for the whole week, or maybe for a long time. Just use a small lot size, maybe 0.01 or 0 if you want to give it a test, a try, or give it maybe place a trade, use the lot size of 0. But this one, the stop loss is too big here. The stop loss is too big, guys. Yeah, I was just making an example. The stop loss is too big. I think we have to wait for a nice correction again on the lower time frame, and after place this trade. Okay.
Yes.
Because if you can see here, you can see that there's a double bottom here. There's a double top here. It gives us another confluence as well. This one gives us another confluence to shorten the market. Because this one, if you go to the last video on YouTube, you can see we have been talking about this video. I've been talking about this video for some time. I've been talking about this video for some time now. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on this one. Are we together, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, on the group, I'm gonna send all these trades that that got a higher probability of pushing down. Euro OD, this one, guys. TK will tell you about this one, and other guys that has been trading this pair. This one, guys, if you go on daily time frame, guys, on daily time frame, I'm gonna take 30 seconds just because this one is still gonna be pushing down. We managed to get this trade from here, guys. We managed to get this trade from here, but we didn't hold it all the way. We managed to get it from here. It's been pushing down. This is a daily time frame, guys. It's 486 pips already. What I'm expecting this trade to come here to this level, and I'm hoping that it's still gonna be pushing down to come to this level, guys. These are kinds of trade, because that's what I always say that the 90% rule does work. Because if you hold the trade, because as soon as we see a small pullback, that's why we say we jump out of the trade and say, hey, the trade is coming against me. But as soon as you protect your profit, let your trade run. Let your trade run, guys. Okay. So this one I'm just sharing, guys. Yes, sir. You want to ask something?
No, I'm just saying yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Yes, guys. So that's all, because that's all I've been looking at, guys. So I'm gonna share it. I'm gonna keep this video on YouTube because it's recorded as well. For the guys that have been that are joining us for the first time and they don't know anything about Forex, it's their first time joining. Others, they saw maybe the link on Facebook or blah blah blah. If maybe you're in this group, in this channel right now, you can just message me. Leave your number, type your number, I'll WhatsApp you if you want to be part of us, and you can be part of us if you want to. It's free of charge and free mentorship, free signals, and yeah, we work as a family. We eat together, guys. We eat together. We have to eat together. For this time till the end of this year, it's free. We are eating together, guys. We are eating together. People that want to join us come next year, January, they'll be paying us. They'll be paying, guys, for this information, because this information you'll have to pay for it. If there's any question, guys, please ask in any group. But if you are new here, leave your number and I will. I'm out of time now, guys. I have to do something else and I have to rush somewhere. I'm out of time. We cannot have. Yeah, USDJPY. I'll check it. I'll send you an analysis on the group, Kate. I'll send you an analysis on the group. Okay. If you are new in this group, just leave your number. I'll just contact you and just take it from there. Guys, thank you so much. And this is recorded. You're going to find it on YouTube. If you have any questions in the main group, guys,